Hi everyone! In today's video, I'll show you how to unbox and prepare your HP printer and scanner for the very first use. So let's get started. First, carefully open the box and take out everything inside. Typically, inside the box, you'll find the printer, power cable, ink cartridges, and a setup guide. As we can see in our case, it's exactly the same. So, let's start by removing the printer from the box. Once the printer is outside, the first thing we need to do is remove the plastic film covering it. Gently cut and peel it off. Do this carefully to avoid scratching or damaging the printer. Next, we need to remove all the plastic wraps, glue tapes, and protective covers from both the outside and inside of the printer. We can start with the blue plastic onto. Just peel it off in the direction of the arrow. Then, open the cartridge access door. Inside, you'll find a small cardboard insert. Carefully remove it. After that, check the back of the printer for any blue tapes. If there aren't any there, turn the printer around and look underneath. As you can see here, there's a small blue tape, so just remove it too. Once that's done, open the scanner lid. There's usually a plastic film or protective cover there as well. In our case, it's only on the side, not on the scanner glass, so we'll just remove that. Once all the plastic wraps and blue tapes are removed, we can move on to the next step. Now, plug the power cable into the printer, and then connect it to a power outlet. Next, press the power button to turn on the printer, and wait a few moments while it powers up for the first time. Once it's on, open the ink cartridge access door and install the ink cartridges that came with your printer. Typically, the black cartridge goes on the right side, but you can also follow the instructions shown on the inside of the cartridge door. Remove the orange protective cover from each cartridge, then insert it into its correct slot. Typically, the sticker with the text should be facing up, as shown in the video. Press down gently until it clicks into place. Do the same for the color cartridge. Remove the protective cover, place it in the correct slot with the text sticker facing up, and press until it clicks. Make sure both cartridges are securely installed, then close the cartridge access door. Next, open the paper tray. Load some plain paper and adjust the paper guide so the paper fits properly. This part can be a little tricky. You'll see a blue paper holder. Push it to the left if you're looking at the printer from the front, or to the right if you're looking from behind. Push it until it reaches the end, then load your paper. And that's it! Your HP printer and scanner are now fully unboxed and prepared for the next step. The next step is connecting it to your device. You can do that by watching one of our next videos. If you want to connect with your PC via USB cable, check out this video. Or, if you want to connect via Wi-Fi, you can watch this one. And if you want to connect with your smartphone, we also have a video to guide you through that process. And that's it! Thanks for watching! Don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick and easy tutorials.